You know what, na-realize ko lang na at the end of the day, lahat ng mga pangyayari ko, lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na to, it won't matter. Like in the next 100 years, yung mga achievement mo, academic achievement mo, lahat ng mga title mo, mga lupa, kahit ano yan na pag-aari mo, it won't matter at the end of the day. So why you are afraid of doing the things that you like, Like at the end of the day naman, lahat tayo mamamatay. Lahat dito, makakalimutan din tayo. Kahit yung mga tao dyan, hindi nila alam, hindi nila ko kilala, nag-video ako here. So why not take this chance, a leap of faith, to do everything that you want. If you want to vlog, if you want to upload that video, go big cringe. Walang nakakaalam dyan, let go. Diba? Like at the end of the day, wala naman talaga nagmamatter here. Like yan yung mga family na yan, yung mga anak nila lalaki mag-aaral, and at the end of the day, mamamatay rin sila and mawawala rin sila. And I'm not saying na dapat mamatay tayong lahat, no? Or I'm wishing na lahat tayo mamatay at the early age then, no? But what I'm trying to say is walang sense yung parang ikukulong mo yung sarili mo, yung potential mo is ibabackdown mo just because nahihiya ka, just because marami ka mga what ifs, wala talaga useless lahat yan. Pag na-achieve mo na yan lahat, yung title mo, yung degree mo, yung bahay na meron kayo as of the moment, in 100 years, meron namang bago nakatira dyan. So it won't matter kahit gaano pa kalaki yung achievement mo, kahit gaano pa kaliit yan, Why not live your life to the fullest, Itodo mo na, this is your last chance. This is your chance to live your life. I know, super crazy na ako dito. Alam ko pinagtitinginan ko ng ibang tao here. Kita ko nag-video here, feeling naman wala akong pagkite. Because at the end of the day, lahat tayo mamamatay. At the end of the day, it won't matter. So this is your sign, na please, gawin mo na yan, simulan mo na yan. That's all, and follow for more.